The HEXEUM Telescope 70mm Aperture 500mm is an excellent choice for beginners and young astronomers, providing a simple and easy-to-use experience. With its 70mm aperture and 500mm focal length, this telescope offers high-quality optics that deliver stunning views of the Moon, planets, and distant celestial objects. The telescope includes two high-quality eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, significantly enhancing the magnifying power to observe detailed features of the night sky. A 5x24 finderscope is included, making it easier to locate celestial objects with precision and ease. This telescope is designed for portability and convenience, featuring an adjustable aluminum tripod, a phone adapter, a wireless remote control, and a carrying bag for easy transportation and image capturing. HEXEUM provides lifetime maintenance support, ensuring customer satisfaction and assistance within 24 hours for any inquiries about the product.